Hi, hello, welcome to mathsmedium. Today I came with the exercise 5.2 from data handling 8th class ncert. Question number 5. The number of students in a hostel speaking different languages is given below. Display the data in a pie chart. Given this is the data according to our pie chart. So here language and number of students. Hindi spoken by 40, English spoken by 12, Marathi 9, Tamil 7, Bengali 4, total is 72. Apart from total, here we are having 5 languages and 72 students. This 72 is used for making a fractions because of we are going to draw a pie chart. In a pie chart, we are having 360 degrees. So, this is the drawing of a pie chart. In earlier videos, I already explained to you about the how to draw a pie chart. So, check the description box for that link. So, now coming to here we are having language and number of students. First of all, we have to do is making a fractions. From that fractions, we have to make it into angles. So, here I am taking fractions. For Hindi, 40 by 72. We know fraction is nothing but part of a whole. Here is the part and this is the 72. Similarly, English, 12 by 72. Similarly, Marathi, 7 by 72. Bengali 4 by 72. Tamil 7 by 72. Sorry, Marathi is 9. Here fractions, Hindi 40 by 72. English 12 by 72. Marathi 9 by 72. Tamil 7 by 72. Bengali 4 by 72. Now we are going to make it as a central angle. Central angle is nothing but based on this angle we are going to make a pie chart. So from this how we are going to calculate is 40 by 72 into 360 degrees. Similarly, this is also 12 by 72 into 360 degrees. Here also 9 by 72 into 360 degrees. 4 by 72 into 360 degrees. Finally, 7 by 72 into 360 degrees. So, by simplifying this, we can get measure of angle on a pie chart. Now, let's simplify this from one by one. So, here, take 9 table. So, 9 8s are 72, 9 40s are. Here, 4 2s are, 4 10s are, 2 1s are, 2 20s are. So, this is 200 degrees. Similarly, this also 12 1s are, 12 6s are, 6 1s are, 6 6 are, 60 degrees. Here also 9 1s are, 9 8s are, 8 1s are, 8 4s are 32, remaining is 40, 8 5s are, so 45 degrees. Here 9 8s are, 9 40s are, so 4 1s are, 4 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 20s are, so this is 20 degrees. Here similarly 9 8s are, 9 40s are, so 4 2s are, 4 20s are, right? So here 2 1s are, 2 10s are also. Sorry, here 4 2s are, 4 1s are. This is 10. So this is 7 into 10, 70 by 2. We get 35 degrees. I am clearly doing this here. 7 by 72 into 360 degrees. 9 8s are, 9 40s are, right? 4 2s are, 4 10s are. So 70 by 2, 35 degrees, right? Now we are going to represent these angles through the pie chart. So let's move to take the pie chart. So I am taking assumptions here. Assume. Let's take a pie chart with a radius as 4 centimeters. So r equal to 4 centimeters. Midpoint as O. Take the help of scale and compass and make sure that the radius should be 4 centimeters. Take the midpoint and draw the circle. This is the circle we have to draw with a radius. Mark the midpoint as O. Now here take example. I already explained you with a 180 degrees. Here also we are taking 180 degrees, but here none of the angle is 180 degrees here. That's why I am making as that 180 degrees as dotted lines. So mark the 180 degrees each side. Draw the dotted line through the midpoint. So it seems to be 180 degrees. So this is 180 degrees. For our better understanding purpose only, there is no need to represent that. For better understanding purpose, I am highlighting this circle. So let's start from Hindi, that is 200 degrees. I am taking one line as base. So this is as base. It is 0 degrees. From this we are going to represent 200 degrees. This is 180 degrees, right? So 180 plus 20 is equal to 200. From this line you have to measure extra 20 degrees. 0, 10, 20. So this is the 20 degrees. Draw a line through the 120 degrees. See here, this is 180, extra 20, 200 degrees. These all, it means I am shading it as Hindi, so Hindi is maximum spoken by the student, that is 200% spoken by 40 people. So this is Hindi. Next, English 60 degrees. So from this I am taking this line as base, marking E is equal to 60 degrees. So from this make sure that the line should be parallel to that line also. Dotted line here, 60 degrees. So from here 60 is this. Mark the, draw a line through that point to the midpoint. So this 60 degrees contains English. So this is English. I am drawing as straight lines here. So it is English. How many students? Sorry, here 200% is not correct. 200 degrees. Here also English 60 degrees spoken by the 12 students. Next, coming to here, in this space we have to represent 45, 20 and 35 degrees. So take one line as a base and this is the line as base. Now represent 45 degrees from that and mark maths 45 degrees. From here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 45. This is the point and draw a line through that. So this is the 45 degrees. You are getting confused with this English. So I am making it as a checkered box. So then we will get better understanding here. It contains Marathi. So Marathi is having 45 degrees. Let it as represent as X marks. So it contains 45 degrees Marathi with 9 people. Next, coming to the Bengali, that is 4, represent 20 degrees. So from this line take 20 degrees. So this is the 20 degrees line and make a line here. It is Bengali. I am keeping it as a empty. So it is Bengali 20 degrees. Bengali with 4 people. Next, remaining is 35 degrees. It is 360 degrees, right? So this is also count to be 360 degrees. So all parts are perfectly together. So this is Tamil. So Tamil having 35 degrees and having 7 people. See here, I am putting this as here. So this is 35 over left here. This is the point. This is 35. Now let's represent it as balls. No need to represent all languages like this. This is for just our convenience. This is about this question about the representation of pie chart through given data. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.